Most small business websites don't become expensive at launch, they become expensive later. And it's usually not because of design, it's because of how they are built. At launch, everything seems fine. The site works, nothing feels urgent. Then small things start appearing: updates, plugin notices, security emails, hosting issues. Each issue feels minor on its own, but they don't stop coming. Your website starts asking for attention, but that wasn't part of the original plan. Most people assume that the problem was the price or the developer. But websites aren't just pages, they are systems. And systems behave differently depending on the architecture. Cost isn't what you pay upfront, it's what the system demands from you later. Some systems are like cars. They are powerful, flexible, but they demand attention. Other systems are like appliances, like a refrigerator. They are limited, they are boring, they are designed to be ignored. Neither is wrong, but they come with very different responsibilities. The mistake is choosing without understanding that trade off. Interruptions break focus, and issues compound. Each fix requires time and decisions, and often someone else's availability. The cost isn't dramatic, but it's constant. Mental load is also a business cost. This isn't true for every business. Some sites need complexity: apps, platforms, frequent structural changes, but most small business websites don't change very often. They don't need flexibility, they need reliability. The problem isn't complexity, it's unnecessary complexity. Websites become expensive once they demand attention. Architecture decides that. Simpler systems fail less. Fewer moving parts means lower long term risk. Once you see cost this way, a lot of website decisions become clearer.